Hi, I'm Marcus with Boot Coffee Campus, here to talk to you about the Barista Skills module. At the foundations level, this is a great class for folks that are new to the industry or that are looking to jumpstart their barista career. In this course, we cover the standards, the SCA standards of preparing a shot of espresso, dialing in your espresso grinder, steaming milk to a beautiful texture, and pouring an acceptable cappuccino. This is a one-day course that's a great introduction to preparing espresso. If you're already a working barista, this is a good way to get your foot in the door with the SCA curriculum before advancing to more advanced levels. For coffee professionals or entrepreneurs, the Foundations module of Barista Skills is a great way to up your coffee game by ensuring that your staff who attend understand the global standards for preparing espresso and milk-based drinks to your customers. And if you're a home barista, this is a great way to step up your espresso game in your own kitchen. Won't you come see us at Boot Coffee for Foundations of Barista Skills at Boot Coffee? Visit bootcoffee.com for more information.